This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Premarin Vaginal Cream is a hormone replacement therapy for women experiencing estrogen deficiency. It helps alleviate symptoms like vaginal dryness and discomfort. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of atrophic vaginitis, which includes symptoms such as vaginal itching, inflammation, and dryness. It is also used for chlorosis vulvae, which involves itching and inflammation of the vulva and surrounding areas. Furthermore, it assists in alleviating moderate to severe dyspareunia, which is characterized by genital pain during sexual intercourse, often experienced during menopause. How it works. The cream works by supplementing the body with adequate levels of estrogen, which helps to manage and alleviate symptoms associated with estrogen deficiency. Directions for use. Apply the cream as directed by your physician, ensuring it is used only in and around the vaginal area. It comes in a tube with an applicator. After connecting the applicator to the tube, squeeze the appropriate amount of cream into it. Lie down in a comfortable position, gently insert the applicator into the vagina, and press the plunger to release the cream. After use, remove the applicator and cleanse it properly with mild soap and warm water. If applying to external areas, take the necessary amount and apply it directly to the vulva, labia minora, clitoris, and vaginal orifice. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include stomach pain, back pain, breast tenderness, headache, and vaginal infections. Consult your healthcare provider if these effects worsen. Precautions and warnings. It is crucial to consult your doctor before use, especially if you have a history of breast or uterine cancer, blood clots, or heart problems. Women who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or under 18 years should not use this medication. Regular monitoring through blood tests and physical examinations is recommended to mitigate potential risks. FAQs. 1. What is Premarin Vaginal Cream used for? It is used to manage vaginal itching, inflammation, and dryness due to estrogen deficiency. 2. Who should not use this cream? Individuals with allergic reactions to conjugated estrogens, unusual vaginal bleeding, or a history of certain cancers should avoid it. 3. How should it be applied? Use the applicator for insertion and release the cream as directed by your physician. 4. What are common side effects? Side effects can include stomach pain and headaches. Consult a doctor if they worsen. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.